Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be showing you guys how you could decorate for the fall. With Thanksgiving coming up, I'm going to show you 4 different ways you could decorate your table for Thanksgiving. I'm actually sorry about coming out with this video kind of late. I had so much going on, you guys know, with the kids and stuff. So I wasn't going to come out with a video anymore, but I decided, since I already bought all the stuff, to just come out with a video. I'm hoping to have my winter video coming to you guys really soon, so hopefully I could get that together and come out with a video very soon for that. And basically that's it, guys. So I'm gonna show you all the materials you're gonna need for this video. So guys, everything on the table that I'm showing you guys, you can actually get it from Dollar Tree. Yeah, and that's it. So the first thing you're gonna need 4 different jars. As you can see, I have 1 high jar, I have 1 low jar, and I have 2 mason jars. You're gonna need a bunch of flowers. Of course, I have fall colors, different colors, red, orange. I mixed it up. Sunflower, a little orange sunflowers in there, different ones. And you're gonna need 1 more set of flowers right here for the shorter vase. You're gonna need ribbon. You're gonna need foam for the vase, some leaves. I have a different kind of ribbon here, and you're gonna need candles. And you're gonna also need a pair of scissors, of course, and you're gonna need a glue gun as well. So let's get started. So guys, right now I'm working on the tall vase. And guys, I'm trying my best to make the back as even as I can, so that way it could just look all in one. And I also know that they sell bigger ribbon that you could actually just cover the whole vase with, whereas you don't have to do it individually. Sorry, the way I'm doing it, I just happened to buy this ribbon and I already had it, so I'm just using what I have. So guys, this is the first one done. Let's move on to the second one. So guys, I'm working on the small vase right now. I actually forgot to show you guys in the video when I was showing you guys all the materials. I forgot to show you this ribbon. So I will be using this ribbon on this one I'm doing right now. Guys, this is number 2. Now I'm gonna work with the mason jar, and then I'm gonna show you guys everything all together. So guys, I'm all done. I'm gonna show you each one by itself, and then I'm gonna show you guys it all together.